How's it going, everyone? So we just got to, it's kind of close to the city hall over here, and we're gonna go have some burgers. We found this cool little American kind of burger joint, and it was recommended by a couple friends. Pretty nice little place, got some really nice menu options and stuff, and this little area seems to be a little eatery and like coffee shop kind of thing. A few little bars along here, a few little bars over there. Tried to come here last night, but it was just about closed, so we didn't have some food here. So I'm gonna test this place out, and I'll show you guys inside. Alright, we just got our burgers. It looks like it's in a bagel bun, which is pretty cool. She got the Madonna chicken, and we got 3 fries with the burger. Requirements are we gotta go get passport photos, and we gotta get Mitch's new passport and a few other things. So that's kind of what we're doing today. We're just getting that all ready to get the bank account. And we're just sitting here in this photo place waiting to get our photo taken. So we got our photos for the bank account and for the renewal of my visa, and it is a thunder and lightning storm that hit in about 5 minutes. We were rushing through the traffic from Robinson, and we got at this spot. We just jumped off and hid under the, holy shit, we hid under the little awning here. But there was a lightning strike like right at that building. We just got back from Robinson Mall to get some photos and stuff, and as soon as we got back to the bike, it started raining, kind of not so bad, but we were rushing through traffic because we knew it was about to start pouring pretty bad. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. So in about like, I'd say 10 minutes since it was raining. Holy shit! Whoa! Yeah, it's some crazy ass thunder going on. You can see after like 10 minutes the gutters are already filled up with water, and it's already pouring onto the road, and it is raining pretty freaking hard. And by the thunder, you can tell it's a pretty violent storm. So this is what we're dealing with here in Bacolod. It's a pretty rainy day. It was looking pretty nice. Oh, there's some more thunder or lightning. Holy shit! Yeah, fun times in Bacolod. Just chilling here on the fire escape.